lot.
That's like putting a new toilet paper roll in, ain't it?
Yeah.
Okay, Kate, are you centered? Okay.
But look, I mean,
Yeah, I know. Better to not run into the monitor than otherwise, right?
Right.
I had a close encounter last time.
It should pivot, so it shouldn't break anything too bad.
Oh, okay, then that's
Well,
good.
she had the mirror right up on. That's why I decided to back the front
Oh,
end.
okay, I get you.
Dad was a bit frustrated. We had to back up.
At least you didn't go off the scale. We've had a few of those.
Oh my goodness, that would
Off
be
the
bad.
scale, too.
Nobody falling all the way off. Maybe there was somebody when I was on vacation.
Oh, that would be good footage. Okay.
Yes. Clutch.
Brake.
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 Drive.
Drive. Did you get in drive? No. Look. Easy. Don't stall it. Easy. Okay, that was good, Case. 52,000. We're pretty close to what we need to be.
Ooh.
Yeah. Remember, you're leading things around. Long things behind you. I want you to get used to that thought in your head all the time. Stop. Stop.
He didn't say stop. Now he did.
Yeah, but you gotta remember, you're not hauling the semi. Neutral, PTO in.
Let the clutch out first.
Nope.
Oh, clutch in?
Yeah, push it in.
Yeah, it's in neutral. Well, I made it in the pit without stalling it out so far, so now all I have to do is get through one more clutch and I'm good to go. I have my driving gloves on because it's a bit chilly out and you can see frost all over. My dad's outside getting some footage of the truck dumping, so thank you, Dad, and you'll see a little bit of that. Tandem trucks have a box that lifts up to dump. Semi trucks have a little door on the bottom in two places, one at the front and one at the back, that you open. It looks like they're having a bit of a problem putting the box down. I was still too close to the left.
You got the PTO in?
Yep. I can try and lower. Do you want me to try and lower it? This isn't good. The box of the truck isn't going down. I have the PTO in.
Okay, push that other lever to the lower. Might be backwards, so make sure you're going the right way.
Lower body is up, yeah.
Okay, lower now.
Is it going down? Okay. Phew, that's good.
Okay, take the lever out, center it, take the PTO out.
Do I have to have the clutch in to take
Clutch.
the PTO out?
PTO out.
Okay. Now I'll just keep the clutch in. Put it in drive.
Ready? Okay, easy out on the clutch. Okay, you got movement, so just let it out slowly.
Alright.
Okay, clutches have feels, Kate. You gotta look for them, and every clutch is different.
Yeah,
Even in the
I
same
know.
type of clutch.
I feel like I have a better understanding of what it feels like. When I
Okay,
remember when I
let's cruise around here before we get another guide.
I remember when I stalled it in Sunburst, I didn't have a feel for the clutch. It was a kind of just I was lucky if I didn't stall it situation.
Okay, I looked on your rear tires. Your rear tires had you about this far over from center, that way. So I'm just telling you, I felt that was close, but it's close on both sides when you go in.
Now we're coming back over the scale to weigh, and this will tell the elevator how much grain we had. They weigh us before and after. Yes.
Remember, center. Not over here, and not over there.
Clutch.
Not yet. Clutch, neutral. And then brake. Well, double check neutral before you let that clutch off.
So now I have to scan this card. Thank you.
Well, we don't know exactly why, but
Oh! It just got stuck. And I made it through the elevator trip without stalling it at the elevator. I would say that is a great success.
tell them how much is in that pile right there that this thing's gonna survive.
That pile has 838,000 bushels in it, and the other one has over 1 million bushels. I can't even imagine how many wheat kernels that is. That's just so many.
Yeah. Look how big that pile is.
They're absolutely massive grain piles.
Okay, drive like a human being. Can't go anywhere. Okay, don't crowd, okay? You're not so far from not being able to do this, okay? But you're not there yet. I don't know how big the tanks on these are, but they're probably huge. Okay, let's drive this smooth up through the corner. You accelerate through your corner. Don't cut the corner. Stay out on it. Okay, and don't drive in them ridges if you can help it. Figure out, go that way a little bit. You're gonna get some ridges on your side, but that's okay because I'm old. So you want to be right. Turn kind of medium. Stay a little left, and then sweep right on the end. Okay, I just keep it. Don't brake. I mean, you're gonna run this, so let it go. Okay, get your turn going. Double check your. Can't double check. Okay, keep going. Okay, not hard acceleration here. Just let your turn go. Smoothly bring it on. Let it shift. Okay, that probably means you got just a touch too much throttle. It's going.
Yeah.
You want to feed it in so it's kind of working itself through. Okay, you're going to need to turn up here, so don't get lonely. Just cruise along. Okay, look over your left shoulder, you know, when you get up on the hill a little bit. Don't brake or accelerate through cattle cars. Okay. Just turn. Don't brake. Just go with it. Start your throttle. Okay, you're late on your throttle. You want to lead it through.
Okay.
So be slow enough once you got everything going, then accelerate. Okay, get down here and follow the white line on the right. You can see in your mirror. Blinker up left. Look. You're good, are you?
Yeah.
Okay, then get going. Running up to about over 65 and lock it in. I think your thing's off, so you're gonna turn it on. Get it. Get on. Okay, let go and see if it goes. But then you might have to go up with it.
No. Okay.
Okay, it's not up and hold and back. It's up and back. Because anytime you're holding it, it's either going to accelerate or it's going to neutral. Coast.
I think you're so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe to learn more about how your food gets to your table. Bye.